Yo guys, welcome back to another video, and I hope you had a fantastic day. So in today's video I'm going to show you the best rushing setup actually in COD Mobile, and let's get into it right away. So I have the QQ9. I'm actually going to change this my notification came. I'm going to change this, and this is actually not the best, but this is what I'm using for now since I only have 17 level. Yeah, so that's it. Let's go ahead and go with this one. This looks a lot better. Let's just add a charm and let's just get out of here. So let me explain to you all the facts. This is actually what I use for hardpoint in ranked, so that is why I had the trophy system, as many people keep spamming grenades and stuff. So trophy system really helps you. I have frag jacket. Again, if trophy system doesn't work, this is the best bet you have so that you don't get killed. This also reduce, which is a very good fact, that the continuous damage from molos and thermites, because when you throw a thermite, you get if you're in that range attack area, you get attacked a lot. I mean your health keeps decreasing, and when a person throws molo at you, it does the same. And for the third one, I have the demo expert. I guess it's your wish what you want to do, but I think that this is the best hardpoint setup. And suppose hardpoints in many places are inside such rooms, and where everyone will be camping in corners and stuff. So I felt that the gravity spikes is the best for now. And yeah, that's it. So now let's go into match. So guys, one more tip that I would like to tell you is you want your graphics at medium or low, and you want your FPS at the highest level ever possible. It's high, it's ultra max, I don't care, but try to have it as high as possible, guys. You won't think that it's not that much of a fact, it's just useless, what you're going to do. But graphics actually don't determine how you play, the frames per second does. And the more smoother your game is, the more better it is. So if your game isn't supporting it, then you can actually go ahead and use.
Get down, sniper! We lost the lead. We tied for the lead.
Oh.
We've taken the lead. It's too close. Fight harder.
I don't know why people are using snipers, because it got nerfed. I don't know why they're using it again.
Tied for the lead. We've taken the lead.
So one more thing that I would say, that if you are able to get a headphone, I would say you get the surround sound headphone along with it. I would say you get the surround sound. Each headphone has a category of areas, and I would say the surround sound headphones are the best, which is what I'm using. So in the last video you would have seen I went to a corner and see guys, I just got a little bit of damage, and you can see the flag jacket icon kind of showed up. Oof, he's the same guy whom I killed with thermite. So you want your FPS as high as possible, and another pro tip that I could give you is to always keep scoping at one place, and the element of drop shotting isn't actually that important at all. Oh, I just low health. So I don't know why I'm playing like a noob. I guess I am a noob. Hey, someone's here.
Hostiles have destroyed your sentry gun.
So guys, because of my headphone, I thought that there's someone. I heard the footsteps and to the left, and I know that someone is here too.
Targets in sight.
Hey, he was here. So if you guys see that I'm predicting some movements, someone is coming somewhere or something, don't think that I'm hacking. I'm just
recon deployed. UAV online.
Reloading. Cover me.
Hey, there's someone here. You want your FPS as high as possible.
Friendly Shock RC is ready.
And one more thing that I can tell you, which you cannot learn by experience. Oh, the purifier. You might, if you have a gun like which you feel is really good, it doesn't matter if the gun is really the good actually. If your gun, if you just feel is good, go ahead and use it and just get experience in it. Hey! There's a guy.
Recon standing by. Repeat, UAV recon is standing by. Keep on them. We're winning this one. UAV online.
And guys, let me tell you, this actually gives you a really good advantage at playing the game if you have a
Friendly
good
Shock
headphone.
RC is ready.
And so guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you liked it, and I didn't talk much, but I gave 2 or 3 good tips. And comment down below what you would like for me to do in my next video, and I'll try to make that possible. So that's all guys. If you feel that I'm a good YouTuber, like, share, subscribe, and that's all. If you want, you can dislike. Thank you, bye.